Alright, in this video we're going to talk about how you can use Temu coupon bundles. So I'm just going to open up the Temu app here. You want to log in with your account, and let's say we are making a purchase here. So I need to add some more items in order to fulfill the minimum requirement here. I'll just add this. Okay, just like that, add to cart, and then let's say I want to add this as well. Okay, so after we have added these items to our cart, then here we can go to checkout. Now it's gonna give you all of your information here, so you need to fill this out. So I'll just do that in a second and come back. Okay, so once you have entered your address, then if you scroll down here, you will see a section called Apply Coupon Code. Once selected, we can apply the coupon bundle code right here. Just click on apply, and if you have added more than 10 items, then the field for group coupons should be available to you, and if you apply it, then that's basically how you use those. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.